If you have potatoes on hand, here is a great choice for using those potatoes. This dish is filled with flavors, and if you love curry, hey, check this one out. Simple to make, but a great tasting dish. My potatoes are the first thing that I worked on here, and I just went in and peeled my Irish potatoes. Once you've washed your Irish potatoes, then you can sometimes cook them in the skin, or the option is to peel them. I prefer to peel them because when I do that, then I'll find if there's something wrong on the inside, so I can cut those out. After that, I just washed my potatoes and then diced them. So I cut in the desired shape, and you can cut these like in layers. That's a good option as well, but dicing was my preferred style, and that's what I did. Now you can leave a comment and in the comment section and tell me if you're a curry lover. If you're a curry lover, just type curry, that's good. If you're a potato lover, you can type potato, or guess what, you can even type curry potato if you are a lover of both. Now I also need some seasoning slash vegetables, depending on what you call these, and this is what I'm using. Some good old scallion, green onions for some, and of course some white onions. And as you can see, I also have some thyme on board, also my garlic, hot pepper, and tomato. Now this tomato is a big one, so I only used half of the tomato, but it did a great job just the same. After I'm finished with my seasonings, the next thing is to start adding my potatoes to my pot to cook. And remember, this is curry potatoes, so the first thing I want to do after cutting those beautiful seasonings up, I want to just put my pot to heat, then add my oil and add some curry powder. Give that a stir before I pop my potatoes in, and I just toss that around to make sure that the flavor and the color is absorbed into the potatoes. Now my seasonings have to go in, so I made space for that, toss that in, and just stir in everything together. You should smell this. This was so flavorful. And are you gonna try this one, guys? Let me know in the comment. I added a little black pepper to this, and also my seasoning of choice, which is the herb and garlic seasoning, and a little salt to taste. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be notified. A little butter doesn't hurt, just a bit, about a teaspoon there, and I just tip a little water in this and leave this to get to that stage where it is tender. Yes, that was it. A simple one to make. You can have this with some meat on the side, and it's a great choice. I hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.